Friday Bytes by Helixz.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Keshara Indukumara. Today, I want to talk about a very important topic, is code ethics. Uh, we often to talk about how to write code, like syntax and logic. But today, we are going to talk about the impact of our code as software developers. What we build goes far beyond the computer screen. It affects real people and society. This presentation is about how we can build a digital future that is responsible and good for everyone. Next slide is what is code ethics? So, what exactly is code ethics? It is not just a list of rules. It is framework that tells us right way to code. It has three main parts. The right way to code is positive impact, prioritizing work that benefits society. A second one is professional conduct. This is about how we behave at work. It means having integrity and being accountable for what we do. Social responsibility. We must look at the big picture. We need to understand if our software helps people or if it could potentially harm them. Why code ethics is important? You might ask. Why does this matter so much? Here are four key reasons. Protecting users. We must keep personal data safe and make sure our apps don't cheat or exploit people. Data safety and security. We have to build a strong security to stop hackers from stealing sensitive information. Avoiding risk. If we are unethical, we face lawsuits and we lose our good reputation. Last one is building a trust. We are ethical. Sorry, when we are ethical, people trust technology. This leads to be better relationship between developers and the public. Simply put, ethics are not optional. They they are foundation of trustworthy software. Code ethics in team environment. Ethics is also vital for how we work together as a team. Shared understanding. When everyone follows the same ethical values, we have consistency and respect in the team. Maintainability. Believe it or not, ethical code is better code. It is clear and easier for other team members to update later. Collective responsibilities. It creates a culture where everyone is responsible for quality. This results in better, strong software. Main component of code ethics. Now let's look at the four main pillars or components of code ethics. First one is be honest. We must be transparent. We should never write code that mislead users or stakeholders. Second one is protecting protect privacy. We should designing systems that protect privacy by default. We must be responsible with how we collect and store user data. Second is be clear and accountable. Our code should be easy to understand and well documented. We need to be able to trace exactly what our code does. And last one is write safe code. Security should be our priority. We must work hard to prevent vulnerabilities that hackers could use. These principles are the bedrock of everything we do. Good coding was bad coding. Let's make this practical. What does this look in our real life? Firstly, let's look at good coding. Transparent data use. We clearly tell users how we use their data and let them opt out if they want. Robust error handling. We make sure app doesn't crash and lose data when something goes wrong. And accessible de- designing. We build apps that everyone can use, including people with disabilities. Now let's look at bad code. Hidden data collection. This is when an app takes user data without us. This is unethical. Ignoring security patches. If we see security update and don't install it, we leaving our users in danger. Bias in algorithms. This happens when we write logic that treats groups of people unfairly. To summarize, code ethics is guiding philosophy for every developer. Every line of code we write is decision. These decisions impact real people. By following these ethical principles, we ensure that we are contributing to digital future that is safe, fair, and beneficial for everyone. Thank you for your time. So, anyone have